Hello, everyone. This is Candy Martin from Martin Business Solution LLC. I am super excited. You have clicked the link. That means you are ready to take action, to take your business to the next level, to scale your business up, not just to grow, but to scale. And so if you're even thinking about a business, haven't started a business, you're in the best place possible, because now you're getting the information that you need to start off on the right foot. If you've been in business forever, don't worry. This is a great refresher. This is only going to help promote what you're already doing. If you're new to business, this is going to be awesome for you as well. So the only reason I'm going to mention today's date is because of the significance of it, which is February 2nd, 2022, which is 2/22/22, or Tuesday, as they have been saying today. What I want to talk to you guys about really quick is our upcoming subscription for the rest of 2022. Every month on the 22nd, we are going to release a new video for our subscribers for the Martin Business Solution Masterclasses. Today we had a seminar, awesome, phenomenal, just life-changing. I just really can't put it into words. There's a lot of information, so what I have decided to do is to break it down over the next few months, and so the next 10 months, actually. And one of the things that I thank God for his wisdom. Trust me, it all comes from him. I give him all the credit, all the glory. But one of the things that I want to do is to keep it from being information overload. Like, oh my gosh, this is a lot of stuff. Am I going to ever be able to do all these things? And so what I've decided to do is to break it down into 10 sessions. They will range between an hour to 2 hour max. Depends on the topic and how much we got to get into it. But for those sessions, we're going to have the information. We're going to have the instructions on how to, not just me talking and you listening, but the exact steps of how to do it. We're going to even share resources and tools and things to even help do it. One thing I don't like is for somebody to tell me what I need to do, but don't tell me how to do what I need to do. Or what they suggest I do to try it. Okay, yeah, sounds great, but how? And so what I intend on doing is sharing that information, including the breakdown and instruction. And also from that, giving you time to do it. 30 days sounds like a lot of time, but it's really not. Do anybody remember 2021? It went by so fast. So really what I would like to do is to take each section, let's take a chunk of it, covering business structure, business credit, personal credit, marketing, branding, social media, customer relations. Just all those things that go into a business organization. Oh, please don't even mention that. So what I would like to do is for each session, we have a formula already put together. We're gonna do the same thing we did today, just kind of break it down so it doesn't be, like I said, so overwhelming. And then not just that, the 2 hours that we did today were great, phenomenal, but the 2 hours and 22 minutes. But not just that, we'll have more time to spend on each subject, on each one of the 22 keys to success. We'll have more time to make sure that it's right. And so you'll have 30 days to watch the video, replay it, go back, take notes, make changes, do whatever you need to do to get that part right. Then we'll go to the next part and just kind of digest it and put some things into action. I don't want this to be another seminar that you watch. I want it to be something that you listen to, that you hear, that you put into action, that you apply the knowledge that is being shared. And I'll make it fun. I'm going to bring on some guest speakers as well. I'm going to have some friends join me, get them, pick their brains too. So we'll all be in it on action. So in order to take advantage of it, you have to subscribe. And like I said, once a month, $20.22, not a lot. That is a nice investment for you. Think about it. $20.22. That's 2 times. Well, no, not really 2 meals. Certain restaurants, maybe 2 meals. I don't know. Have you been out to eat lately? But anyway, so that'll be $20.22 every month on the 22nd. Starting tonight. I know we're kind of, late on the time, but hey, it's been a busy day. We've been applying some of that information, some of that knowledge that we've shared It is tax season. People trying to get things together, get things in order. It's the beginning of the year. We're still in a pandemic. I mean, so hey, if not now, when? So go ahead, sign up, subscribe, and what we're gonna do with our first set of subscriptions, we're gonna make sure that you get the information that you need to be prepared, and then we're gonna, you know, for March, April, and so forth. So go ahead, sign up now. Trust me, you're gonna be glad that you were. I don't want to spill the surprise, but you'll be glad that you were signing up in this month of February. You'll be glad that you signed up. And so the date of this recording is February 22nd, 2022. We are taking subscribers to our Martin Business Solution Master Classes. Go ahead, press the link, sign up. If you have any questions or any concerns, send me an email, call the office. The information will be included as well, so that we can get you where you want to be. And like I said, if you're doing good, that's awesome. Let's do great. If you're not doing so good, don't worry. We can start over. And if you're not quite sure where you are, let's find out. So once again, this is Candy Martin. I am going to be sharing with you the keys to success. Look forward to seeing you all. Have a great day.